Hi everybody, welcome back. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to install and activate JetFormBuilder Pro with a lifetime license key. First, go to your WordPress admin dashboard. From the left menu, hover over plugin and then click on add plugin. Now search for JetFormBuilder, then click on install now and then activate. Go to the official JetFormBuilder website and then download any pro plugins from here. Let's try this one. Okay, downloading is started here. Once the download is completed, and go back to your WordPress admin dashboard, then add plugin, upload plugin, choose the file, this on, and then click on install now and then click on activate plugin. Now from left menu bar, JetFormBuilder and then click on Addons. Please wait. Look at here, license is not activated. So now click on activate license and then go to JetFormBuilder official website and then copy license from here and back to my WordPress dashboard. Paste the license key here and then click on activate. That's it. Your JetFormBuilder Pro license key is now fully activated for lifetime use. From here, now you can able to install any add-ons just on click and ready to go. Look at here. This add-on is installed successfully. Then click on activate add-on. Look at here. Here is already 2 add-ons are installed and activate. If you like to get JetFormBuilder Pro lifetime activation, check the description box below. All the details and contact information are provided there. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, feel free to drop them in the comment or contact us directly. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.